Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin privileges and the latest Escan removal tool that guarantees compatibility. Once done, close unnecessary apps to free resources and disconnect non-essential peripherals and network if you suspect active bot behavior. Make a quick backup or create a restore point so you can recover data if anything goes wrong. Now run the Escan installer as administrator, follow the on-screen prompts, and launch the removal tool immediately to begin scanning. The sooner you act, the less time the bot has to persist. Run a full system scan with heuristics and advanced detection enabled so Escan can catch known signatures and suspicious behaviors. As findings appear, quarantine them rather than deleting immediately. Quarantining preserves evidence and prevents accidental loss. Make notes of file paths and associated processes for later review. If the tool reports items that can't be removed, reboot into safe mode and repeat the scan. Safe mode stops many persistence mechanisms, making stubborn bots easier to isolate and remove without interference from running services. After quarantine, run a secondary scan to confirm no remnants remain, then inspect startup entries, scheduled tasks, and services to remove any lingering auto-start entries. Once confident, restore only verified clean files, otherwise delete them. Make sure system updates and credentials are changed if compromise was extensive. If removal fails or system instability continues, review Escan logs and use built-in support utilities. Contacting Escan support with logs expedites resolution. Troubleshooting tip: safe mode scans plus log files usually reveal hidden persistence mechanisms causing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.